Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to access the library of UESTC for searching relevant materials for your research, okay, like thesis, etc. So for that you need uh, a VPN, okay. First of all uh, we will set up a VPN. So for VPN you can use this link. If okay, then click on this link. It will download a VPN client, okay. It will automatically detect a suitable client for you, or otherwise you can click on it. If you use any other kind of operating system for this, you can download this, okay. You can click on it. So click on it and it will be downloaded, okay. Now when you download it, so the interface will be like this when you install it, okay. So just use that link or this link and click on this to search the configuration, okay. When it validates the configuration, use your ID and password and click on the auto login and remember me, okay. So whenever you uh, go to this VPN, it will automatically detect your credentials, okay. When you open this client, you can see everything here provided by USDC. For example, how to access Ville library, okay, Nature, Elsewhere, IEEE, Springer, Scoop, so it has everything provided by the USDC, okay. So specifically, I will show you how to access library. So you can read this uh, link as library.ustc, okay. So click on it. Sometimes the library doesn't work without the VPN, so that's why I show you how to set up a VPN and then access the library, okay. So for this, okay, you can search your title here if you know any title of the thesis of your previous students. So you can paste the title here and search for the relevant material. But uh, if you want the whole set of thesis, okay, the whole set of thesis of your school, means your department, then you can do one thing like this, okay. Click on it, dissertations, okay. Now here, when you see this page is in English, okay, in English, because it is translated automatically from Chinese into English. Here you see that there is no link, okay, means the whole text are not shown, like the whole text are not shown, okay. But if you click on Chinese, you will see the thesis submission, okay. Click on it, you can cross it, okay. Now here you don't need to submit your thesis, okay. Just see here like discipline, CLC, category, ranking, submit. Now what you can do is to click on category, okay. You can click on the others, but you can click on the category. It is like simple way. Click on it. Here you can see all the schools located in USTC. So click on, for example, my school is mathematical sciences. I will click on the school link. If you know For example, your if your thesis is related to like relevant to the student, and the title of her or his or her thesis, then you can do one thing more, like this is school, but if you hover over the mouse on this link, you will see all the relevant departments. Okay, suppose uh, I'm checking a thesis which is relevant to a department. Okay, I know, for example, if it is related to pure mathematics, then I will click on the department pure mathematics, and all the thesis will come out, okay, in this department. But if you want to see all the theses published in School of Mathematical Sciences, then click on the school link, right? So next, for example, if you want to see a thesis relevant to a year, for example, I want to see all the theses published in 2023, then I will click on 2023. It will start out, okay, for the year 2023. If you want to see a set of all theses for doctoral studies, then click PhD, okay. Otherwise, click on master, right? Okay, this is the easy way. Now, for example, I want, suppose I was looking for this thesis, then click on it, okay. And if you are searching for the title, okay, donor translate into English, show me Chinese. Okay, this is Chinese abstract, this is English abstract. These are the references. Okay, if you are reading the abstract which is relevant to your study, then you are going to see all the paper. How? View the full text button here. Click on it and you will see the PDF, means the full text. Wait for it. Okay, suppose it will process here. Okay, if okay, what I was telling you. Okay, here you will see the thesis for both international and Chinese students. Okay, not only Chinese but also international students thesis. So don't worry about it. So you will see the international students author here. Okay, the author will be is in English language, not in Chinese. If you see a title, the author name is in Chinese, it means that the thesis is written by Chinese. But if you see the author is and the author name is in English language, it means that students this thesis is written by Chinese, the English the international students. Sorry, so it is open here. Okay, you can see the thesis, the whole file here. Okay, so you can download it easily. Like if I click on it, download it. Okay, it will be downloaded. Okay, close it. Okay, close it. If you want to see another title, okay, if the thesis title is not available here, then you can also see the next page here. Okay, next page, next page. next page, up to the end page. So this is one way to see all the thesis. Okay, now yeah, I think it is downloaded. This is the full text. Okay, this is the full text of the thesis. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. We can also see all the databases here. For example, let's see IE, Ville, Springer, Elsewhere, IEEE, APA, all the databases here. Okay, so thank you so much for your uh, attention here. And if you need uh, anything else, you can ask me questions in the comments box and let me know. Okay, thank you so much.